Staying quiet in meetings might feel safe, but it also makes your ideas invisible. If you have ever left a room wishing you had spoken up, here is a simple way to break that cycle. One trick I use is prepping just one question and one idea before the meeting starts. That way, you always have something ready to contribute without scrambling in the moment. You can do this in your notes app, but I will just type it in Google Docs here so it's easy to follow along. I like to write one simple question, then one idea I could share. By doing this, I walk in with confidence knowing I won't go blank. Even if I only use one of them, I have still contributed and shown up with presence. This quick exercise works, but building lasting confidence means learning to communicate clearly and position yourself with authority in any situation. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge teaches you through its 5 steps. Along with the method, you will also get a personal one on one advisor to guide you through each step, plus 30 days of daily confidence boosting mantras and quotes so you stay consistent until speaking up feels second nature. It's just $7 to get started, and it is designed for beginners. Click the link below and take the first step towards speaking up with confidence in every meeting.